Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at both beginner and intermediate learners. We read a story and the title is Kiki the Curious Komodo Dragon. I encourage you to pause the video regularly, identify new vocabulary, and practice your pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. On the island of Komodo, under the golden sun, lived a young Komodo dragon named Kiki. Kiki wasn't like the other Komodo dragons. She was curious about everything. While the others napped in the shade, she explored the rocks and trees. She loved asking questions and dreaming of adventures. One morning, Kiki spotted something shiny in the distance. It glimmered near the edge of the jungle. What could that be? She wondered. Without thinking twice, she set off to investigate. She walked past tall grasses and chirping birds. She climbed over rocks and wiggled under low branches. Along the way, she saw colorful butterflies and strange-looking beetles. Everything made her even more curious. Finally, Kiki reached the shiny thing. It was a broken piece of glass. She looked at her reflection and blinked. "Who is that?" she giggled. She had never seen herself so clearly before. Suddenly, she heard rustling behind her. Out came a large Komodo dragon named Rango. He looked serious but kind. "Are you lost?" he asked. "No," said Kiki. "I'm exploring." Rango smiled. "You remind me of myself when I was young." He showed her a hidden path through the jungle. "There are many wonders out there," he said. Kiki followed Rango deeper into the forest. They passed by giant fig trees and a waterfall that sang. She saw a monkey swinging on vines and birds dancing in the air. Her eyes sparkled with excitement. They came to a cave with glowing stones inside. "Oh, it's beautiful," said Kiki. Rango nodded. "This is my secret thinking spot." Kiki sat down, feeling peaceful and full of questions. "Why do some rocks shine?" she asked. "Because they have crystals inside," Rango explained. "And why do birds sing?" she continued. "To talk, to call, to share joy," he said. They stayed in the cave until the sun began to set. Time to head back, Rango said. He showed her how to listen for the wind to find her way. Kiki listened carefully and learned something new. Back at her home, the other Komodo dragons were waiting. "Where were you?" asked her brother. "Learning," Kiki said proudly, "and I met someone amazing." Every day after that, Kiki went exploring. She always asked new questions and found new paths. Sometimes Rango joined her. Sometimes she went alone. One day she found a turtle stuck in the mud. "Oh no!" Kiki cried. She gently nudged the turtle free with her snout. "Thank you," said the turtle, smiling. "Where are you going?" Kiki asked. "To the sea," the turtle replied. "Can I come with you?" she asked. "Of course," the turtle said. They travelled together, slow and steady. The jungle smelled like flowers and warm earth. They shared stories and laughed a lot. Kiki felt happy in her heart. Finally, they reached the shore. The ocean sparkled under the blue sky. "I've never seen anything so big," said Kiki. "It's the sea," said the turtle, "full of mystery." Kiki watched the waves dance and crash. She dipped her claws into the salty water. A crab waved at her from a rock. Everything was new and exciting. The turtle thanked her and swam away. Kiki waved goodbye and felt proud. She had helped someone and learned something new. That was a very good day. On her way back, she met a group of baby birds. They were chirping loudly and flapping their wings. "We can't find our nest," they cried. Kiki looked around carefully. She spotted a nest in a nearby tree. "Is that yours?" she asked. "Yes," they chirped happily. She gently guided them back home. "Thank you, kind dragon," the mother bird called. "You're welcome," said Kiki, beaming. Helping others made her feel strong inside. She ran home with joy in her steps. At night, Kiki told her family about her adventures. They listened with wide eyes and big smiles. "You're very brave," her father said. "And very kind," added her mother. Kiki snuggled into her cozy spot. She thought about the sea, the birds, and Rango. There was so much to see and so much to learn. Tomorrow would bring more questions. The next day she found a strange fruit. It was purple with yellow spots. She sniffed it and poked it gently. "I wonder what this is," she said. She took it to Rango, who was resting near a tree. "It's called a dragonberry," he said. "It's rare and tasty." Kiki took a bite. It was sweet and juicy. They sat together, sharing dragonberries. The wind whispered through the leaves. Rango said, "Curiosity is a gift, Kiki, and you use it well." Kiki smiled. "I want to learn forever." "There's always more to discover," said Rango. They looked at the sky and imagined new adventures. The clouds drifted like slow, soft ships. That night the stars shone brightly. Kiki looked up and made a wish. "Let me always be curious," she whispered. And in the dark a shooting star flew by. In the morning she packed her exploration pouch. She filled it with snacks, a shiny pebble, and a feather. "Ready for a new adventure," she said. And off she went, tail swishing with joy. Kiki, the curious Komodo dragon, was always learning. She helped others, asked questions, and made new friends. Every day was a story waiting to be lived, and the island of Komodo was full of wonder. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way, we may reach learners from all over the world and assist them with their English learning. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.